Welcome to Eden IAS. So, do you have the question how to crack prelims examination in 3 months, 4, 5 or maybe less? Okay, and all what you need is a plan or a strategy or a mentor to help you to do so. Yes, we do have an answer for that, and the answer is Mission Prelims. This program has its own legacy of making students crack the examination. Like we had great results in 18, 19, 20, though was not so good due to the COVID scenario. But again, we want to perform the best of ours in this year 2022. Now, coming to the program, when we talk about Mission Prelims, the main thing comes to our mind is 90 days, right? As I said, 3 months. So in these 3 months, what are we going to cover and how are we going to cover those things? First thing first, we all know GS is an important part. So we will be focusing on the GS portion where we will be making you revise the entire general studies subject for the preliminary examination in a very crisp, well analyzed form. Okay, through what? Through classes and through question. So this is where I will call this year is a bit different from the last year's preparation or the last year's way of preparing you under the Mission Prelims. So this year we will be taking the test in the classes in a simultaneous fashion. Simultaneous in the sense, see, most of you, or like it is a revision cum practice course, so we just cannot have put all our hopes कि हमने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है और हम मिशन प्रीलिम्स से ही शुरू करेंगे, वो गलत होगा, right? But जिन लोगों ने पहले पढ़ा है, okay, and they want to revise properly, so this is an answer where we will be giving you a certain syllabus. Syllabus in the sense कि आपको एक ब्रोशर मिलेगा, उसमें सारा सिलेबस मेंशन्ड होगा कि पर्टिकुलर किस क्लास में आप क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं या कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. So पहले ऐसा होता था कि you used to prepare and come to the class and you used to sit into the class, take the class and then give the test by the end of the subject after getting it covered. Okay, but this year what we will be doing, we will be giving you syllabus and we want you to work. We want to check what is your preparation. So you would come and first give a test. So that test is going to help you to do a good self-analysis. So you will do a test and after the test, we will move ahead for the class. So when we talk about the class, it would be covering topics, subtopics, micro topics, and it would relate to the current scenario. Okay. Then again, we will have one more test, which would be after the class. So first you have analyzed yourself, then you have done the improvement, and then after you would check whether you have improved or not, because we have very less time, so we just cannot put things for some day later or something, right? So when we talk about a class or a subject, this would be going in this way. After the class, we will go for a marathon session. Marathon session, what's new about the marathon session? See, when we talk about the syllabus coverage, there is a very important thing which comes to our mind, that is notes. अब notes हम सबके पास है, बहुत सारी है. So क्या पढ़ें, क्या छोड़ें, और even if at all we will ask a question to ourselves कि क्या हमने हमारी सारी notes की हुई हैं, so most of the time answer आता है नहीं, या फिर आता है पढ़ी तो है but confident नहीं है, revision की जरूरत है. See, what we have done here, we have compiled the best of the notes, okay, where every word would be a gold dust for you. Gold dust in the sense, whatever you would ingrain in the class, in those marathon class, is going to work for you. So, whatever material we will be providing you, we will take the responsibility of that material to be covered for you. Which means, we will take a marathon class in which we will entirely finish the study material so that you would be very much confident after a simultaneous test cum class thing, right? So that's how we are going to cover for every subject. And now when we talk about the current affair, see, throughout the year you have gone for the current affair, you're confident about it, you have gone for Hindu, many magazines, or multiple newspapers, multiple channels for the current affair, multiple teachers, but then also you want something and you fail to do a correct question in the examination because you have not applied those concepts. So when we talk about the application, we will do the same thing for the current affair portion as well. So we are going to cover 360 degree of the current affair through 360 questions, and the tests are different. Okay. So in the class, you would be covering all the current concept through questions, and same would happen with the CSAT portion. All what we want you to apply a lot. There are many toppers who they say कि मैंने 80 mock papers किए, right? मैंने 10,000 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, मैंने अराउंड 4,000 टॉपिक्स पढ़े. सो हियर इनटू दिस कोर्स आप 5,000 टॉपिक्स कवर करने वाले हैं हमारे साथ. आप कवर करने वाले हैं 4,000 प्लस क्वेश्चंस, जिनको आप प्रॉपरली एक एक क्वेश्चन आप अपने टीचर से डिस्कस कर पाएंगे. आपको पता होगा कि अगर मुझे 120 कट ऑफ लाना है तो बहुत जरूरी है मेरे लिए कि मैं 60 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट करके आऊं और 100 में से 60 करेक्ट हो जाए. दैट्स इतनी अच्छी एक्यूरेसी रेयर होती है. सो क्या नहीं करना, इट मींस टेक्निक्स लाइक एलिमिनेशन. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको 4 ऑप्शंस टोटली आ रहे हों, बट आपको पता करना है कि कौन से ऑप्शन नहीं है. सो ऑल दिस आप एक दिन में नहीं सीखते हैं, ना ही आपकी कोई टेक्निक है. सो नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर द आंसर. और इसके अलावा आप बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करने वाले हैं. सो into this program we will be covering some special modules as well like budget, survey, map marking. आपको indexes में प्रॉब्लम होती है, आपको reports में प्रॉब्लम होती है. So all what we need is going to be covered into this. So count on us. Check the brochure which you can find on the website www.edenias.com, or else you can contact us. There must be a description into a detail into this description box. So check it, and if you want to cover it, you can join Mission Prelims. And the most important here is we want to build your confidence. Okay, all what you can do will be done here. So the tagline also is, you can, we will. Thank you.